Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making chicken gyoza. Gyoza are pan-fried dumplings stuffed with meat and vegetables. They are originally based on Chinese fried dumplings, but they are now a popular and well-rooted part of Japanese cuisine. We are using the homemade gyoza wrappers we made last week, but you can certainly use our store-bought gyoza skins. Ground pork is more commonly used for gyoza, but today we are using chicken. Cabbage and nira Chinese chives are more commonly used, but today instead of chives, we are adding a lot of cilantro with green onions. For ingredients and complete recipe, please visit our website japanesecooking101.com. First, we prepare the filling. Chop cabbage finely. You can use a regular cabbage or Napa cabbage. Slice green onions thinly and chop cilantro. Will include stems too. Chop very finely. Cilantro is rather unusual for gyoza, but its aroma and refreshing taste surprisingly suits the dish. Grate garlic. If you don't like strong garlic flavor, you can skip this. Now put all of the filling ingredients in a bowl, and we are going to add seasoning. Salt, sesame oil, sake, soy sauce, and katakuriko potato starch or substitute with cornstarch, and mix very well. You can use spatula like this or mix by hand. Next, we wrap the filling with wrappers. Take a sheet of gyoza wrapper in your hand and place a tablespoon size of meat mixture in the center of the wrapper. Moisten the edge with water along the lower half of the wrapper and fold in half to meet the moistened edge. Fold one of the edges in a series of pleats like that, leaving the other edge smooth. Press the edges together to seal the gyoza. Repeat, and now we are going to pan fry. Heat a pan at medium-high heat and add oil. Place gyoza on a pan and cook until the bottom becomes golden brown. Add water and immediately cover with a lid. Cook until water boils away. And serve immediately with the dipping sauce. You can use ponzu sauce or soy sauce and vinegar with a bit of chili oil if you like. This will be a great appetizer or main dish to enjoy with your family and friends.
美味しい。美味しいね。